A big part of every day is that you have to persuade people to take action, right? You got to get people to do stuff. Is that? Yes. Wow, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I need validation. So you need to persuade people to take action, but before you can persuade people to take action, what do you have to do? You have to build trust, right? And how do you build trust? You build trust by getting people to feel emotion. And not just any emotion. I mean, in business, you have to get people to feel positive emotion, right? Because you're leading a team, you're not planning a coup. So you have to get people to feel positive emotion. Well, what is the fastest way to get people to feel positive emotion? Alcohol. But the second fastest way So your CEO just walked by with a picture of the gin and tonic. No, it's all business here. All business. It's nice that he took the long way through, too. Subtle. I like that. What's his name? Richard. I won't shorten that. Okay. Write your own jokes.